The COMELEC is looking into allowing a 15% shading threshold in ballots for the 2025 polls. This could mean that shaded ballots with at least 15% shading will be counted. Now, that's lower than the current 25% shading threshold set by COMELEC. This is recommended by COMELEC's Project Management Office, which still has to be approved.
At least doon, kahit yung nakatatanda, may kapansanan, yung medyo nahihirapan, siguro naman kahit na tuldok lang na ganyan, point lang na ganyan, mabibilang na ngayon. Kasi that's the intention of the voter. Always remember, in an election, the real intention of the voter should prevail.
Oh, kapag nagkataon, ito yung pinakamababang ang tawag din threshold na gagawin ng COMELEC. Kasi before, I remember, may mga watchdogs o mga election watchdogs ang mga nagpo-protest dahil before it was 50%. Tapos ma-disenfranchise ka na kaagad nun, 'di ba? So ngayon kung 15%, medyo okay yun. Kaya yung ibang mga watchdog sinusupport itong gagawin ng COMELEC eh. Okay, kasi yun yung yun yung pag-shade sa balot kasi minsan hindi masyado maayos yung pag-shade, 'di ba, ng mga voters.
Yung mga seniors na hindi makakita sa hole.
Oo, hindi nababasa minsan ng mga nung machines na di-disenfranchise. So sayang naman yung boto. So right now kung 15%, medyo magandang balita 'yan kung sakasakali, 'di ba? All right, sige, let's continue with our countdown.